The State Department, the White House, Obama talked to President Zuma of South Africa and said not to bring them back to Haiti, but President Zuma defied that request and said that they would not bow to pressure. The White House, the State Department, has said that President Aristide left willingly on February 29th, 2004.
No. I'm a witness of that, and it was not willingly that the president left, because all the people that came in to accompany the president were all military. Having been in the U.S. military myself, I know what a GI looks like, and I know what a special force looks like also. So I was here, and I knew that, you know, these guys were part of a force, special ops, they call them. You have the Delta Force, you know, which is special operations. You have the Green Beret, special operations. So those guys, you know, they could be assimilated to either one, either the Delta or the Green Beret. And what attracted my attention was the fact that when we boarded the aircraft, everybody changed their uniform into civilian clothes. And that's when I knew that it was a special operation.
So the Aristides did not leave willingly?
Oh, absolutely not. Someone who leaves willingly leaves with suitcases, you know, and then prepare for the trips. President Aristide left with the clothes on his back.
President Aristide spent the afternoon upstairs greeting old friends and welcoming new visitors. Democracy Now!'s Sharif Al-Dokadous and I went up to say goodbye. Sharif had just come from Egypt. We asked Aristide about the Egyptian revolution. And when we saw the people today, the thousands, was it tens of thousands of people from the airport to here, do you think we're seeing something like that? Or was that equivalent when you were first elected in 1990 and 91, like Tahrir? Was that the Egypt uprising before the Egypt uprising?
In fact, what I saw today reminded me of what we had in 1990 when we were campaigning and after the elections. That's exactly the same love expressed by the people. And someone earlier said that she saw a tsunami of love today. And I borrowed this image to express what I saw. Better having love than the opposite. And we will continue swimming in the love of the people, sharing love with the people, loving them. And as they are so bright, if you are faking, pretending that you love them and using beautiful words, they will smell it, they will get it. But if it's sincere, they will also get it. And that's the sincerity of love which we saw today. What is happening in Egypt, or what started in Tunisia, Egypt, and in the Arab world, we saw it here in 1986 when the people realized that they had to stand up and make a difference in changing their lives. And it happened in 1986. And I was very delighted to see it in the Arab world, where democracy prevailed and must prevail for some countries and for all the countries. It's not yet that, but it's a must for all those who are dreaming of a better life.
Were you surprised to see the response today?
No, I wasn't surprised. It was amazing to see the way they continue to express their love, but it wasn't a surprise.
Well, it was something to see you burst through the door from the embrace of I don't know how many thousands of people.
And I understood them, because they suffer so much and for so long. Seeing that moment becoming a reality, it wasn't only me getting through the door of the house. It was millions of people getting through someone, that's why it couldn't be easy. And I understood it. Powerful, powerful as an experience. Yeah.
So where do you go from here?
I will continue to pay attention, to observe, to learn from them, and serve them by learning from them.
Jean-Bertrand Aristide at his home in Haiti for the first time in 7 years. Special thanks to Hani Massoud, Sharif Abdel-Quddus, Nicole Salazar, KK Keene, and Kim Ives. Coming up after break, our world broadcast exclusive with Jean-Bertrand Aristide on the plane en route to Haiti. This is Democracy Now! Back in a minute.